Congratulations.
Itong susunod na sasalang sa X Factor stage, hobby din ang pagsali sa mga singing contest.
Hi, I'm Alisa Quijano, 19 years old from Caloocan City. Actually, nag-start po akong kumanta when I was 8. Sobrang dami ko na pong nasalihang contest. Talagang, yun lang po talaga yung hinihintay ko. Yung mabigyan ako ng chance and mabigay po sa akin yung break.
Okay, make us proud. See you on the X Factor stage.
You want me to introduce you?
Oh boy, another?
Sure. Okay lang ba? Yes. Sige, gusto mo full name pa eh. No.
Teka muna, kilala mo na naman to.
Nakalaban
Ang dami
ko
mo
rin
naman nakilala.
Yes. Your name? Alisa Quijano.
Alicia Quijano.
So, anong kakantahin mo for us? Show me how you burlesque. Oy, that's different, huh? Let's hear it from Alisa.
Get up, and let you rest. Get up, this is not a test. Get up, gotta get me. So get your ass up, show me how you burlesque. Get up, won't let you rest. Get up, this is not a test. Get up. So get your ass up, show me how you burlesque. Oh, a little bit of naughty is a little bit nice. She's a whole lot of glam, such sugar, sexy spice. Shimmy, shimmy, strip. Give a little what up on the table. She'll be dancing. Hey, baby, doll just comes alive under the spotlight. All the boys with a fall behind. Let me hear you say yeah. Come on.
Kinakabahan ko ngayon.
Say yeah. So get your ass up, show me how you burlesque. Get up, won't let you rest. Get up, this is not a test. Get up. So get your ass up, show me how you burlesque.
Tito Martin.
That was awesome, Alyssa. Very, very good. I knew you'd have a good voice, but hindi ko alam na magaling ka rin mag-perform. The whole package. Very nice.
Diba?
Salamat po.
Electrifying. That's my word for today.
Di ba, pag nakikita natin yung parang gauge ng electricity, yung parang zzzz, yung sa kanya lumampas,
Wow, thank you po.
beyond expectation ang ginawa mo.
Alam ko na noon pa na talagang magaling siya. That's why I'm very happy na nag-audition ka.
Yes.
Very happy. Let's vote. Tito Martin.
Yes!
Tito P.
Yes!
Tito Gary.
Yes, yes, yes.
Alisa, you just got 4 yeses.
This is too much.
Man!
Meron pa
How
tayo.
old is she?
Another 4.
19.
Masaya lang po ako kasi ngayon lang po ulit siya sumali sa TV na
Contest.
Alisa!
Nakailan na tayo na nakilala mo? At least 4.
No, na-excite ako na talagang makita na ito yung mga nakakalaban ko. As in, talagang hirap. That's why hindi naman all the time nananalo ko.
Before, magkalaban kami, tapos ngayon, siya na yung judge ko. Sobrang saya ko po.
The X Factor